Hi Jeremy, my name's Devin Norton. Thanks for speaking to me on the phone earlier. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily follow so you can start beating Lions Roofing, because if you type in Roofing Phoenix, these guys show up first. I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to beat them. Now, I know you're probably asking yourself, Devin, why would you even make this video for me? It's simple. I found out a little while ago there's lots of business owners and roofers out there that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more business. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So what I started doing was just creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Now, lots of people take this information and just do it themselves, and that's awesome. But some people call me back and say, you know what, Devin, I like you. I just don't have the time to do this. Can you do it for me? Whatever you want to do is totally okay with me. My only goal is to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. But I wanted to start off by saying whoever designed your website did a fantastic job. It's very clean. It's very modern looking. You've got really nice photos going all throughout it. It's a beautiful looking website. I love the animations, and I see that you even have a chat widget. So you guys have done a great job as far as building your website and designing it. Now, what Google mostly cares about when it comes to ranking your website is content, all the stuff that you can read right here. And the average website on the front page of Google has about 1,500 words of content. So if I copy all of your content and I go into this word counter and I paste it, you can see you currently have 737 words. So great job. That's a fantastic start. If we go over to Lions Roofing here and we copy all theirs and paste theirs in this word counter, you can see they have 999. So by getting yourself to 1,500 words, you're going to blow them out of the water, but also you're going to give yourself more room to fit in what's called keywords. Now, a keyword is a buyer intent phrase that somebody types into Google when they're ready to purchase your business from your business. So for example, I've pulled some up for you. Like for example, Roofing Phoenix, 450 people search that every month. If somebody types that into Google, they're ready to purchase from a roofing company. Or even Roofing Companies Phoenix, 700 people search that every single month into Google. So you can see if you were number one for just these 2 keywords, you'd be number 1 on Google in front of 1,150 people every single month who want to purchase roofing in Phoenix. Crazy numbers, right? It would change your business. So you want to make sure you have keywords like this inside of your content. And if I go, you can see you don't have Roofing Phoenix anywhere on this page. So you want to make sure you put it on inside of your content. You can also save your images as keywords. So like instead of Reimagine Roofing, you could save this as Roofing Phoenix. And you can go all throughout this page and do that with, I can't see there we go, with all these different images. You see how none of them have keywords? So feel free to pause this video and take all these keywords here and rename all your images to these keywords and fit them inside of your content. All right, that's my first tip for you regarding content. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And this is really important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy and relevant websites vouching for your website. Keep in mind, though, like I said, they want to see trustworthy and relevant websites. So you're going to get a lot more power if you have other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You don't need to use it. If you Google backlink checker, you can see this stuff for free. It says you currently have 23 websites linking to you, while Lions Roofing has 527 linking to them. If I were in your shoes, I would copy them. If these 527 websites are good enough to rank Lions Roofing, they're going to be good enough to rank you too. So I would go one by one to each of these websites just like they did and put a link on each website back to my own website. A lot of times it's really simple. Like for example, Angie, Expertise, Yellow Pages. On these websites here, you just go to the website, you hit Join a Pro Network, get listed, create a free account. You put a link in your profile back to your website, and that's simple. You've got a backlink. So it's really easy to do. It just takes some time. But if you beat your competitors with content and you beat them with backlinks, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically here and start getting all the free business growth that comes with being there. But I've got one last tip for you, and that's how to show up in the map section. If you want to be number 1 in the map section, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, address, and phone number in a directory. And a directory is a website that allows you to list your business's information, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, stuff like that. If I were in your shoes, I would take Phoenix and Fox Roofing. I'd figure out what directories they're in, and I'd put myself in the same ones. So if Phoenix and Fox was in like 150 directories, I'd put myself in like 300. But that's all I've got for you, Jeremy. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I try to keep it as short and to the point as possible for you. As a quick recap, you want 1,500 words of content on your homepage and keywords inside of that content, as well as saving your images as those keywords. Get the websites that are linking to Lions Roofing and get them linking back to yourself. And finally, put your name, address, and phone number in more directories in Phoenix and Fox Roofing. Jeremy, if you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google. You're probably asking, what do I do now? You have two options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go. If you decide to go this route, I recommend you get started as soon as possible, because the less time you wait, the less catching up you have to do, as obviously your competitors are doing this already. If you have any questions or you want any help getting this done, give me a call at any time. My phone number is 469-352-2524. I also put in the email I sent you. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. Either way, I hope this video was helpful for you, and I hope you have an awesome day, Jeremy. Thanks for watching. See ya.